In the 21st century, our world is constantly changing, from technology and social media to lifestyle and culture. These changes often come in the form of trends, which influence how people think, behave, and interact. To be critical thinkers, we must learn how to identify and analyze these trends. A trend is a general direction in which something is developing or changing. It shows how things evolve over time, in fashion, technology, communication, business, education, and more. Let's look at a few examples. The rise of online learning after the pandemic, the growing use of artificial intelligence in our daily lives, the shift towards sustainable living and eco-friendly habits. Trends are not just random. They have key characteristics. They happen over time. They influence people or industries. They are dynamic and keep changing. And most importantly, they can be observed in society or data. To understand a trend deeply, we follow a process. Let's go through the 6 steps to defining a trend. Start by noticing patterns or changes around you. For example, more people are watching shows on streaming platforms instead of cable TV. Next, collect information, from surveys, social media, or reports, to support what you've observed. This confirms the trend is real and not just your personal experience. Then ask why this trend is happening. For example, why are people switching to streaming? Because it offers flexibility, personalization, and convenience. Classify the trend. A micro-trend lasts a short time or affects a small group, like a viral dance challenge. A macro-trend lasts longer and affects more people, like digital transformation in business. Next, evaluate its impact. Is the trend helpful, harmful, or neutral? For instance, while streaming is convenient, it might reduce face-to-face interactions. Finally, make a forecast. Where will this trend lead? You might predict that streaming will evolve with more interactive or AI-based features. So, why is defining trends important? Because understanding trends helps us adapt to change, make smart decisions, and think critically about what influences us. It teaches us to question, not just to follow. When we think critically, we can spot opportunities, avoid misinformation, and even become leaders in innovation. To sum up, a trend is a direction of change. We can define it by observing, gathering data, analyzing, categorizing, evaluating, and predicting. By doing this, we become more aware, adaptive, and critically minded citizens of the 21st century.